Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these Cell Royce boots. I like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So I went ahead and took out one of the package already. As you can see, they come in a plastic package like this. They do come with a dust cover, so let me just go ahead and take it out and show you. They come both with dust covers. This is just to prevent any scuff marks, or once you're done using them, you could always place them back on here just to prevent them from getting dust or any scuffs, any scratches. Now, these are the regular brown boots. These boots are available in the brown color, just like this. They're available in a dark brown, a red, and also in black. Let me go ahead and give you a closer look. I absolutely love the stitching on them. The pattern looks amazing. Take a look at that. I just took them out of the package. I'm going to go ahead and wear them just to stretch them out. As you can see, they're straight out of the package. So you want to go ahead and put them on just so they could mold to your foot. Let me show you the bottom now. This is what the bottom looks like, the chunky heel boot. Now, as you can see here, the front does have that pointed toe. So it does have that pointed toe, but it does square off here in the middle. So I really like that. I like that they're not super tall. So I do like that. I like the way that they feel. I like the way that they look. This is what it looks like on the calf. So I'm excited because it does look like it does have a wide calf. I personally have wide calves. So I do like that the calf itself, it does look wide. I'm gonna go ahead and pull back now. Let me show you the top piece. This is what the top stitching looks like. Give you a closer look on that. Now, these boots are available from sizes 5 all the way up to a size 12. So they have a lot of sizes available. All right, so let's go ahead and try them on. Let's see what these boots look like. So overall, the boots fit amazing. I got them in a size 8.5 for reference, and they were true to size. They fit perfectly. They're actually very comfortable to walk in. I wear them all night, and I love that my calves fit. They were not tight on the calves. That is definitely a plus. I was able to move freely in them. They're super comfortable. Definitely ones that you could wear throughout the whole day. These are perfect for a night out, for work. These are perfect for date night, girls' night, bachelorette parties, you name it. These boots are ideal for the occasion. If you want to go ahead and check out the different colors they have available and take a look at the different sizing options, then I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.